Y'all miss me.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Vous savez déjà. Tuto simple, how to sleep with this natural hair and this natural journey.
Get it to fucking together.
Vraiment pas difficile honnêtement. I have like 5 elastics and I'll be using them to divide my hair equally and proceed.
No.
As you've seen here, I've fucked up the first side, genre de ce côté, donc je retire l'élastique juste pour recommencer. But basically, yeah, using the banding method, super simple. Tu prends une section de tes cheveux and you just go like at the roots. Then you just, you know, how you tie an elastic but not too tight. Puis pour to try and elongate the hair as much as possible.
Neither.
Honnêtement, j'utilise encore le même processus, grabbing a section of hair while using the banding method with the elastic to try and stretch my hair for tomorrow. I would suggest leaving an inch or two at the end so your hair doesn't look bizarre.
Everything's fine.
If you've reached this part of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here, just grab your bonnet and put it on.
I do not want to comment.
Yes, it's that simple. If you like what I'm doing, like, comment, and subscribe. Basically, this is the next day and I'm just here to take the hair down, you know? I'm gonna be using my argan oil to, you know, seal my hair and prevent frizz.
What?
Here, just applying some oil onto my hand before the takedown. A little close up, you know, yada yada yada.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Here, after the takedown, just be sure to take every section of your hair and seal that moisture in, you know? It's very important, you know, because it's a fight. You're fighting against humidity, and the truth is you gonna lose. You gonna lose this game, so just seal the hair. Well, there you have it, guys. That's it. Thank you honestly for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo.
Yes, Gaga, you look so good. Oh my God, yes.
Bye.